EAS issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, Tangier Sound and the inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island, tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, until 10:15 p.m. At 8:40 p.m., Gus truck was located over mouth of the Potomac River, moving northeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, observed wind. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Hooper Island Light, Smith Island, Crisfield, Deep Hole, mouth of the Potomac River, Nanticoke River mouth, Southwest Middle Grounds, Ewell, Point Lookout, Tangier Sound, Hongo River, St. George Island, Point No Point, Bivalve, the targets, Richland Point Buoy and Deal Island. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.